I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm David Campbell.
I'm Monica Cruz. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too. So you're from Argentina?
That's right. And you're American?
That's right. Coffee?
Yes, please.
2 cups, please.
What time is it?
1:15. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm David Campbell.
I'm Monica Cruz. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too. So you're from Argentina?
That's right. And you're American?
That's right. Coffee?
Yes, please.
2 cups, please.
What time is it?
1:15. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm David Campbell.
I'm Monica Cruz. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too. So you're from Argentina?
That's right. And you're American?
That's right. Coffee?
Yes, please.
2 cups, please.
What time is it?
1:15.
I'm sorry. That's okay. What time is it? 1:15. 1:15.
Are you a student in Argentina?
No, I'm a nurse. What about you?
I'm an accountant.
Really? Is that interesting?
Yes, very interesting. Your English is very good.
Thank you.
Is your family here in the United States?
No, they are in Buenos Aires. Is today Wednesday?
Yes, Wednesday, the 21st of July. Are you a student in Argentina?
No, I'm a nurse. What about you?
I'm an accountant.
Really? Is that interesting?
Yes, very interesting. Your English is very good.
Thank you.
Is your family here in the United States?
No, they are in Buenos Aires. Is today Wednesday?
Yes, Wednesday, the 21st of July. Are you a student in Argentina?
No, I'm a nurse. What about you?
I'm an accountant.
Really? Is that interesting?
Yes, very interesting. Your English is very good.
Thank you.
Is your family here in the United States?
No, they are in Buenos Aires. Is today Wednesday?
Yes, Wednesday, the 21st of July.
Is today Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday, the 21st of July. The 21st of July, July 21st.
Is this your lunch break?
Yes, it is. My break is from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. What about yours?
My class is from 9:30 to 1 o'clock.
3.5 hours. That's a long class.
Yes, but we get a 15-minute coffee break at 11:15. Is this your lunch break?
Yes, it is. My break is from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. What about yours?
My class is from 9:30 to 1 o'clock.
3.5 hours. That's a long class.
Yes, but we get a 15-minute coffee break at 11:15. Is this your lunch break?
Yes, it is. My break is from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. What about yours?
My class is from 9:30 to 1 o'clock.
3.5 hours. That's a long class.
Yes, but we get a 15-minute coffee break at 11:15.
Is this your lunch break? Yes, it is. My lunch break is from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. My class is from 9:30 to 1 o'clock. Oh, hi. Welcome back to my classroom for Book 1, Unit 5. Today, we will be learning about telling time, questions with when, and countries and nationalities. Let's see how much time we have for today's lesson. It's 9:30. It's 9:30. There are two ways to say what time it is. There are two ways to answer the question, what time is it? Right now, it's 9:30. It's 9:30. Do you understand 9:30? Let's take a look. There are 60 minutes in an hour, correct? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes is here. Now, go to my little clock that I've drawn here on the board for you. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 goes into 60 2 times. In English, two equal parts are called halves. 1/2, the other half. So 30 minutes equals half an hour. 9:30 is 9:30. So 9:05 is 9:05. From 1 minute after the hour until 9 minutes after the hour, we say O and the number. 9:01, 9:02, 9:05, 9:08, and so on. 9:10 is 9:10. 9:20 is 9:20. 9:25 is 9:25. What's 9:07? It's 9:07. How about 9:18? That is 9:18. Now, let's look at 15. Okay? Fifteen. Fifteen into 60 is 4. In English, 4 equal parts are called quarters. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, which equals a half, 3, and 4. So, 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour, and 9:15 is a quarter past 9. So, what do you suppose this is? This is not 35 past 9. Once we go past the half hour, we begin to say how many minutes to the next hour. So, 9:35 is also 25 to 10. 9:40 is also 20, 5, 10, 15, 20 to 10. Now, what is 9:50? 9:50 is also 10 to 10. What is 9:55? 9:55 is also 5 to 10. What do you think 9:45 is called? 9:45 is also quarter to 10. Now, I will change the clock to different times, and you tell me the 2 ways to say the time. For example, what are the 2 ways to say this time? 2:10 or 10 past 2. How about this? 3:30 or half past 3. How about this? 4:40 or 20 to 5. How about this one? This time is said 5:20 or 20 past 5. This one, 6:25 or 25 past 6. This is 7:45 or quarter to 8. Another one. 10:49 or 11 to 11. How about this? Okay? You can say it's 1, but when the time is exactly on the hour, we often say the hour plus the phrase o'clock. In this case, the time is 1 o'clock. Two o'clock, and 3 o'clock, and 4 o'clock, and you tell me how about this? Right. It's 5 o'clock. By the way, this is called the minute hand because these are minutes. And this is called the hour hand. When both the minute hand and the hour hand are on 12, let me set that for you. Yes. When both the minute hand and the hour hand are on 12, it is 12 o'clock. There are also special names for 12 o'clock. In the middle of the night, 12 o'clock is called midnight. In the middle of the day, 12 o'clock is called noon. That's where we get the word afternoon or afternoon. All the times between midnight and noon are considered morning and are labeled AM. All the times between noon and midnight are considered afternoon or evening and are labeled PM. So, if it is 12:10 p.m. and you are about to eat lunch, what is the other way to say the time? Can you guess? This time is 10 past noon. And if it is 12:10 a.m. and you are sleeping, what time is it? The answer is 10 past midnight. Notice, we do not say midnight 10. It is either 12:10 or 10 past midnight. How about 11:50 a.m.? Did you say 10 to noon? That is correct. By the way, when is your lunch? Often, lunch is at noon. In many American businesses, lunchtime is called the noon hour. When is your lunch? Lunch is at noon. To ask questions about time, we use the word when. When is your dinner? My dinner is at 7 p.m. When is your bedtime? My bedtime is at 10:30 p.m. When is your breakfast? My breakfast is at 7 a.m. Breakfast is in the morning. It is the first meal of the day. Lunch is in the afternoon. It is the second meal of the day. Dinner is at night. It is the third meal of the day. You know, when it is night here, it is day here. When it is morning in the United States, it is evening in China. Now, we are going to learn the names of some countries and nationalities. Another word for country is nation. That is why we say nationality. Where am I? I am in Argentina. People in Argentina are Argentinian, like Monica Cruz. I'll move to Africa. Where am I? I am in Somalia. People from Somalia are Somalian. Where am I? I am in Paris. Paris is in France. People from France are called French. What are people from France called? French. Where am I? I am in Russia. People in Russia are called Russian. What are people in Russia called? Russian. Where am I? I am in India. People from India are called Indian. What are people from India called? Indian. Where am I? I'm in Rome. Rome is in Italy. People from Italy are called Italian. What are people from Italy called? Italian. Where am I? I am in Iran. People from Iran are called Iranian. What are people from Iran called? Iranian. Where am I? I am in Greece. People from Greece are called Greek. What are people from Greece called? Greek. Where am I? I am in Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. is in the United States. People from the United States are called American. What are people from the United States called? American. Where am I? I am in Egypt. People from Egypt are called Egyptian. What are people from Egypt called? Egyptian. Where am I? I am in Mexico. People from Mexico are called Mexican. What are people from Mexico called? Mexican. Where am I? I am in London. London is in England. People in England are called English. What are people in England called? English. Where am I? I am in Japan. People from Japan are called Japanese. What are people from Japan called? Japanese. Where am I? I am in Thailand. People in Thailand are called Thai. What are people in Thailand called? Thai. Very nice. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of the world. Thanks for visiting me here at Language Exchange International, where today we really are international. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. It's 1:05. It's 1:10. It's 1:15. It's 1:20. It's 1:25. It's 1:30. It's 1:25. It's 1:20. It's 1:45. It's 1:50. It's 1:55. It's 2 o'clock. What's the time? One o'clock, 1:05, 1:10, 1:15, 1:20, 1:25, 1:30, 1:35, 1:40, 1:45, 1:50, 1:55, 2 o'clock.